That's not a phone, it's a dog strap. We have a delayed start here.
You're doing a great job.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I hope you get lots of business. He was looking a bit...
Yeah, just
So-
shoot him now.
Hey, yeah. So her. She's hung up. She's now open, not calling Haya again. You should not be holding it all the time. Still holding it. Let's just put it down. What do we have?